This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Cause it's bit bad, she want me to back. Like chips at the front, this fuck. I'm fly like a pelican in my bed. I like in my way, hella quick. Like they gonna up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's at the back. It's a big, it's a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just wanna party. I just wanna read a story.
Alright, so today we're going to do a video how to put Tru13s on your Redcat 64, and let's get started here. Alright, so we got a set of Tru13s, and we're going to put those on our Redcat 64. So the first step would be to gently pry up on the spinners, which I've already done. And you can see that there is a nut there, so we're going to remove the nut. We're going to take off all these spinners, and then we'll start doing the wheels. All right, so now I'm going to take my 7mm driver and just remove the nut. So we got the nut off, and the wheel's ready to come off. So we're just going to take the wheel, and we can just slide that right off. And now we're ready to install the Tru13 wheel. Alright, so you'll notice on the back of the Tru13 that it's basically just set to go right on. So at this point we'll just get the wheel on. And once we get this to fit on, then we can use the fluted spinners to get that, but I'm going to need two hands to get this into place. Okay, so we got the wheel on, and I'm just cranking down the spinner, so it's finger tight. I'm not using any Loctite. Actually, they've been having issues with Loctite eating the ABS plastic of these wheels, so they don't use that. Okay, so we got this other wheel. I'm just going to put the spinner on and tighten that one down, and then the back will be done. And that's how you install the Tru13s on your Redcat 64. Hopefully this video was useful for you guys. Not finding a lot of really detailed content on how to work on this stuff, so I'm probably going to do some videos on this just to help out people, you know, starting out with this and everything. So, but anyways, that's it for today. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.